Hi, I'm Anthony with Thornton & Grooms, here to bring you another video of an Ask an HVAC Technician. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between replacing a heat exchanger or an entire furnace, and why you would have that question in the first place. Alrighty, let's first talk about what a heat exchanger is. The heat exchanger is the most important component of your furnace. In order for the heat exchanger to operate properly, it has to draw the cold air from inside of your house, across the filter, and then into your furnace. Inside of the furnace, that cold air is going to draw across the hot coils of the heat exchanger. It's going to pass through those coils and then enter your supply system where it enters your house and makes you comfortable. If you receive news from an HVAC technician that your heat exchanger is going bad or has gone bad, you'll be faced with a big decision. Do I replace just the heat exchanger or the whole furnace? The two main questions you have to answer are, is my furnace under warranty, and how old is my furnace? If it's under warranty, you might be saving a lot of money because the manufacturer is going to cover the cost of parts and you just have to pay for labor. If your furnace is not under warranty or it's over the age of 10 years old, that's when you're going to want to look into replacing the whole furnace or be faced with the decision to pay between $700 and $2,000 for a new heat exchanger. And so another thing to consider is if your furnace is already out of warranty, the age of your other components, and is it going to be worth it to replace that heat exchanger? As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And thank you for watching.